Welcome to our booth. This is Jack Chen from China, and our company is Shenzhen 8k-link Optoelectronics technology company, and we focus on the photoelectric converter technology, especially for high-speed singular transmission. And for example, we have the finished cables like the HDMI, AOC. We have 4K and 8k cables, and also we have the USB series cables like the USB A to C, and which support the USB 3.2, and the transmission speed can up to 10 gigabits. Yes, and also we have the HDMI MPO model, which is detachable for the cabling for some installation. Here, this part can replace for different lanes, and we can make up to 300 meters. Okay, for more information, please visit our website like this: www.8klink.com.cn. Thank you very much.